Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a blogging website completely for free. This includes subdomain and web hosting, and you don't need to pay for this, but I suggest you purchase your own domain just like what I am doing right here. This is my own domain and I use this that way you look professional, but it does not really necessary if you don't want to purchase your domain because this includes subdomain. Alright, now you can create this beautiful vlogging website, and you can pretty much do anything with your own website right here, guys. You can create blog, you can create article, you can monetize this through affiliate products and affiliate offers. You can monetize this through like um, Google AdSense or banners. You can pretty much do anything with your blogging website, and it's really cool to have a website. Yeah, it's not really cool. It's a really must-have, when it comes to online business. All right, and that is why I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this using a free tool, which is System.io. Now, the reason why we were using System.io, guys, is because you get this free plan forever right here, and you can create one blog and unlimited posts, right? You can create, you don't need really a lot of blog. You need to have just one blog and create unlimited posts. All right, I don't really recommend you to create multiple domains, multiple blogs. Just focus on one. That way you can have really great result with your you know blogging, or blogging business, or whatever business that you're trying to do. All right, so yeah, so go ahead, guys, lock in your System.io account. There's a link down in the description of this video. That is my affiliate link. I am not making money with that link because you get this free plan forever, so you don't need to get this unless you have, like it is necessary for you to upgrade, but you don't need to upgrade your account because you have this blog and you can create unlimited blog posts. All right, so go ahead, log in your account, click on get started, and then enter your email right here, guys, and then confirm your email. All right, so once you're confirming your email, I want you guys to sign in. All right, and by the way, guys, you can pretty much do anything with blogging. You can create pages just like this one right here. You can create contact forms just like this one. All right, you can create about page. It doesn't really matter what page. You can create multiple pages, multiple posts, and then you can connect your social media accounts right here. You can add categories right here. You can customize this theme footer. You can customize this theme header, this logo, everything in your website. You can customize that, and you'll be able to customize everything, the layout, styling. And what I really like about this System.io, guys, it's a really lightweight and it's really fast, right? As you can see, this is a really fast website, and we will be using a template. That way, we will not be creating this from scratch. And this is a mobile responsive template. So this means you don't need to worry about the mobile responsiveness of your website, right? So I'm actually started creating this website, and I really uh, doing this with my business, right? So as you can see, I've already installed this on my domain, which is jerdigital.com, and you can also do the same, but you don't need to purchase your own domain. But I suggest to use a domain for this, right? So log in your account, log into your account, right? And then once you log into your account, this is where the first thing that you're gonna see, all right? Don't worry about anything about her. You're gonna, figure this out in your own once you familiarize the system. Now just go ahead, you click on blogs right here, right? And this is where you create a new blog. Now, in your case, this should be a blank, but I already created my domain right here, all right? Just click on create blog right here, and this is where you name your blog. You choose a domain. You can choose a subdomain. When you create your account, it will automatically create this subdomain right here, which is jercallora.system.io. But if you wanted to use custom domain, there's you can also choose that domain right here. All right. Now, if you would like to use custom domain, now there's a video tutorial link in the description of this video showing you exactly how to connect this domain with your custom domain, right? I have this step-by-step training showing you exactly how to connect your domain into system.io. Right. So once you've selected your domain, you'd be able to name your domain right here. Let's say affiliate marketing. So if you wanted to do this, you can use this to create like bonus pages like other marketers uh, doing on their blogs. They turn their blog posts into a bonus pages. You can also do that, right? So now just name your blog like affiliate marketing. It doesn't really matter what niche you're trying to go. You can use this to any niche. There's not that really much template right here, but these are beautiful template that you can choose. Now you can preview the template. Let's say this one right here, you wanted to choose this, you can preview the template. Alright, so this is your template. It looks like, wow, this is a really great and beautiful template. So I really wanted to use this. So go ahead and select, but there are other templates as well. So go ahead and select this template and then click on create. Alright guys, and then your vlog will be automatically created, and this is your vlog right here with your subdomain right here or domain. Alright, now you can view your vlog. We can view this into the browser. Now this is a live vlog right now. So this is your vlogging website template. Now you can customize everything right here. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to customize this step by step. Alright, so let's go back. So click on your vlogging website. Alright, and this is where you customize the vlog layout, the post layout, and the vlog post. You can create a vlog post and then the vlog settings right here. Alright, let's take a look at this vlog settings right here. This is where you change the name, you change the vlog domain, and the URL, and then the language. Alright, and then for the view vlog, this is where you view your blog. Right, when you click on that button, and this blog layout, and this is where you edit your um, theme. Alright, let me show you how that's done. Alright, this is where you edit your header and footer. Alright, so this is the header right here, this is the footer. Alright, so this is the logo. You can edit the logo right here. You can remove this, or you can upload a brand new image right here. Right, it's really handy. Alright, you can change this into something like this. You can you can resize this, guys. Alright, you can resize that one. Right, you can customize the navigation right here. You can click on the setting icon right here, and this is where you customize the home, and then this articles, contacts right here. You can edit this, contact us, something like that. All right, and then you can readjust this, something like that. All right, so if you wanted to adjust that one, then you can also do that. You contact us, and then you wanted to add contact us, readjust that again. Right, something like that. You can readjust that. Then you can also change this right here. You can remove, and then you can change this icons right here, guys. Be able to delete this, be able to to replace that with your social media icons and logos, and be able to to put in the link of your social media accounts right here. Right, you can customize the headline right here. And then for the theme border as well, you can it's almost the same. You can just click on the gear icon, and this is where you edit those things right here. All right, you can edit this one, you can remove this, you can replace this with your own image. You get the point, right? So it's pretty much easy to create a blogging website with this application or system. Now once you're happy with all those changes, you can click on save changes right here, and then click on this arrow, and your changes will you can view that in your website when you refresh your website, so it will automatically appear that right here. It's really cool, right? Now when you guys wanted to edit this layout right here, this entire layout, what you can do is click on this post layout right here, and then this is where you edit those, title, right? And then you edit this. You basically you can edit, you can customize everything right here from the sections. You can, now this is a blog post content. This is where your blog post content appear, right? And yeah, so when there are some elements right here that you can, this is where you drag that blog post date, blog post, blog post title. You drag in this element right here, you know, and then you drag this blog post categories if you wanted to add categories. You can pretty much customize everything right here, guys, right? You can also customize this, delete this, just click on the icon right here, right? You can pretty much customize this, and I'm gonna show you later how to put a category, right? Right, so it's really easy, guys. You can pretty much customize everything in your post layout if you wanted to do that, but I am not gonna do that because this is a really optimized post, optimized layout. I don't wanna change this, but if you wanted to do that, you can also do that, right? And this is a breadcrumb right here. You can also customize this or delete this if you wanted to do that, and then click on save changes if you wanted to do that. Then click on the eye icon right here, and that's how you customize your post layout. Now to create a pages, there's a page right here. Now pages and posts are different, right? Post is where you create those posts right here. So I'm gonna show you what post is. Now this is a post, right? This is a blog post, which is an article, right? And pages are these pages right here, which is the home, the article page, the contact us page, and then the about page, right? So these are the pages, and your post is articles. So these are your posts right here, articles or blog posts, right? And then this is where you create posts. This is where you create pages right here. So if you wanted to create pages like home page, about page, contact us page, and then post list page, post list page, you can this is post list page. This is where you these articles right here. This is where you list your post articles. This is where you see those articles when you guys create that post list page, alright? And then you can pretty much, if you wanted to edit the article, let's say the contact us page, you can click on this gear icon right here, and then edit on that one. You edit the title if you wanted to replace it into something different else like contact us. You can also do that, right? Check changes. No, you should have like a dash, right? And then you can edit the contact page. So let's say you wanted to edit the contact page, you can do that, right? Or you can edit the form right here. You can add a capture right here, all right? You can pretty much do anything with this, all right, guys? All right, it's really easy, all right? Then once you're happy with all these changes, click on save changes and then go back, all right? And then it's all the same thing with our other pages. You can pretty much do anything with them. And if you wanted to create a brand new page, let's say you wanted to create a schedule phone consultation, you can also do that and create a brand new page. And this is where you change the sub page. So let's say you wanted to put this schedule now, right? Something like that, and then click on create, so it will automatically create that new page. And then you can put this page into the navigation right here by going back to your uh, blog post layout right here by clicking on this, and then put that right here. You can add in like, or you can add it right here, add a new item right here. Let's say schedule, something like that. You can, right, you can do that, and then this is where you put that link. So you choose that link, right? So yes, pretty much you can easily do it. And then save changes, and then click on this arrow icon, and then and if you wanted to create a new blog post, then you can just basically click on create blog post right here, and it will prompt this pop up, name your blog post, short description, and then URL file. So let's say a brand new product today, which is Super Funnel Hero. Super Funnel Hero review. Let's say you wanna create a review, then short description, then you can change the URL right here. Will automatically fill this off, and then add an image, which is the featured image, and then this is where you select the category. All right, so create. Uh, so let's say you wanted to add in short description. Right, and this is where you create that. You can add a featured image, or you can also skip that one. All right, and this is where you edit that one. So if you wanted to edit this, so you can basically edit this one. All right, and then you can drag in an image right here, and then you can add in an article right here. You can add in a bullet list, right? You can add in like an article, like, so you can pretty much do anything with your blog. You can add in a video. If you wanted to add a demo video of the product, you can also do that, right? You can add a button if you wanted to do that, right? So it's a really powerful tool when it comes to creating this blog post website, right? All right, and then save changes, and then click on this arrow right here, and then yeah, and then you can publish this by clicking this one right here, and then confirm blog post activation. It will automatically publish that blog post, and it will automatically appear on your website. All right, and this is where you add in the category. If you wanted to add a category, let's say you have multiple categories like softwares, um, courses, you can also do that. If you wanted to create category, you can name your category right here, like softwares, and then it will automatically create this spot, and then a description. If you wanted to do SEO title, you can also do that, right? And this is where you list down all those categories right here. And yeah, so I think that would be in this video, guys. It's a really useful tool, guys, and a really lightweight software, you know that can really help you guys out. Aside from this is completely free, guys. This can really help you guys out when it comes to creating that blogging website without upfront investment, because you don't need to purchase hosting with this, right? So yeah, I think that would be in this video, guys. It's really useful tool, and you can view your blog right here, and it's a really powerful and cool system. All right, now yeah, so if you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have, and I hope this. So yeah, I think that would be it, guys. If you like content like this, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell icon so you get notified every time I upload content like this to help you guys to make money online. And if you guys wanted to learn how I make my first $1,000 online, there's a link in the description of this video, which is the first link. Click that link, guys, because I'm gonna send you my video training personally. That way you can get started using that method and start making your first $1,000 online today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.